This is a smoke camo. So it does 3 different colors.
Here we go.
Did you get Will running back? This is from work. This isn't from where I bought stuff. So you get the red smoke. So now we got to call the fire department. Oh, did I forget to tell you that? We used to, so in our wind tunnels, we used to use these like 10 years ago, I guess. And so in the tunnel, what it does is it runs up against the buildings that we build, and it shows like how it affects when it hits up against the building and goes against the environment. That's what we used it for.
Green. What? Same
Tell you
button.
what, the mosquitoes aren't going to come around after this.
Actually blue. Blue-green.
There goes the idiot.
Will?
Can you see me? Like,
Yes, we can.
Yes, you're not a ninja.
That's kind of what I'm going
My brother and my parents used to buy us those smoke bombs you throw on the ground, and they'd blow up. Just disappear. Me and my brother were like, I still see you.